Welcome to my channel, Ever Best Arabic Advisor. Learn Arabic with me. In this video, you will learn 100 basic Arabic pair of words which will help you to speak Arabic well. It's lesson number 1 where you will learn from 1 to 25. As pair of words help the beginners to learn Arabic in easy and fast way. Let us start. The first is Imara with Hamza. Imara, it means Emirates, but when it comes with Ain, it is Imara, which means apartment. Hamza and Ain are quite similar sounds. Second is Alam, Alam, which means pain, and with Ain it is Alam, which means flag. Third, Suwal, Suwal, which means question. With Ain, it is Su'al, which means cuff. The fourth is Ibrah, Ibrah, which means needle. With Ain, it is Ibrah, Ibrah means lesson, just like you get a lesson from a story. The fifth is Rai, Rai, to see, and with Ain is Ra'i, Ra'i, which means to guard. The sixth is with teen, teen, which means fig. But with ta, it is tain, tain, which means clay. Next is seven, tayyar, tayyar, which means string. And with ta, it is tayyar, tayyar means pilot. Number eight is futur, futur, which means lack of activity, and with ta it is tur, futur, which means breakfast. Number 9, battah, battah, which means to cut off, and with ta it is battah, battah, that's a duck. Number 10, rattab, rattab, which means to organize, and with ta rattab, rattab, which means to moisten. Number 11 is with sab, sab, to return, but with sin it is sab, as sin have a whistle sound, sab, which means to flow. For 12 it is haris, haris with sa, which is a soft sound, which means plugman. With sin, it's haris with a whistle sound. Haris, which means guard. The number 13, asas. Asas, furniture. And with sin, asas, asas, it's foundation. For number 14, nafs. Nafs, which means spitting. With sin, it's nafs. Nafs, which means a soul. Number 15, Samin. Samin, precious. Samin, with sin, Samin, it means overweight. 16, Hasi. Hasi, which means pebble. With Ain, it is Asi. Asi, to disobey. Number 17. Halim. Halim, a dreamer. Alim. Alim, a scholar. Number 18. Hamil. Hamil with ha, it's a career. And with ain, it's amil. Amil, a worker. For number 19, it's Halim. Halim, patient. With Ain, it is Alim. Alim, knowledgeable. 20, Har. Har, hot. And with Ain, it is Ar. Ar, shame. Number 21 is Saum. Saum with sa, it's garlic. Saum with salt. Saum, it's fasting. 22. Swab. Swab means reward. Swab with sword. Swab, it's right or sense. Number 23 is hers. Hers, to pluck. Hers. Hers with sword, it's to comply with. 24. Skill with sa, skill. Heavy with sword, skill. Skill, polished. Last one is 25. Soap. Soap, that's a kind of dress. And soap with sword, soap, that means towards. That's enough for today. See you in the next video from in which we will learn 25 to 50 pair of words. See you then, but don't forget to subscribe my channel and like it. Assalamu alaikum.